I'm Jessie Millay, and today I'm going to be showing you my super quick blowout routine to get super chic, sleek hair. And I'm going to be testing out the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer limited edition gift set. It comes in this really cute fuchsia color. It comes with 3 amazing attachments to get different looks, and it comes with a round brush and detangling comb that make your blowout much, much easier. So let's just jump right in and get started. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I just love this product so much, and the gift set is incredible because it comes with everything you need to get this blow dry done.